Students in a fourth grade class, they are learning how to use the protractor to measure what?
Angles.
To measure angles, yes. So what angle are you trying to get, Vanessa?
I'm trying to get an obtuse angle that is 125 degrees.
125. So use your protractor. Now measure it.
And this is 125.
How do you know?
Because from here to here is 125, and this starts from 0 to 125.
And it's between what? Between what kind of numbers?
130 and 120.
Yeah, between 120 and 130 is 125, yes. Okay, and what you did here in this one?
I measured 47 degrees.
You measure 47, okay, put your protractor to show your 47. Okay, that's 47. Is between what? 40 and 50?
40 and 50.
Okay, and that's 47 is an obtuse angle. Yes? No? What's the name?
Acute.
It's acute. How do you know it's acute?
Because it is less than 90 degrees.
Yeah, it's less than 90 degrees. Okay.